Saturated fat is a type of fat that solidifies in room temperature.
Coconut oil is an example. So is palm oil.
Saturated fat consumption is directly related to cholesterol levels in the blood. So the higher the saturated fat intake, the higher will be the cholesterol level in the blood.
There are two types of unsaturated fats that are considered healthy fats.
We have the polyunsaturated fats and you have the monounsaturated fats. And those two types of fats are considered the good fats because they do not raise the LDL cholesterol.
LDL is low-density lipoprotein. That's the bad cholesterol. The opposite is high-density lipoprotein.
So the HDL is considered the good cholesterol because it's measuring the amount of cholesterol that is removed from your arteries back to the liver.
You'll find these good fats in olive oil, avocado oil, and soybean and vegetable oil. For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Joel Streed.